Okay, it's the next day. We are at 11:30 in the afternoon. Got my boots on, got my kinky ruler. I don't even know how, I don't think I can even get a good estimate of how much we got last night because the drift is so bad. This is what it looks like. It doesn't even look, it's windy out. It doesn't even look like I even tried to shovel. Oh, it's so windy. Yeah, you see that? That's out my door. The drift is wild. Ooh, I better unlock my door before I get locked out. That would suck. Okay, she deep, bruh. Oh my god. This is just wild. This is just overnight, bro. Insane. I don't know. I really want to snowboard off the roof of that garage. Or even look at the drift above me. Hold on. That wind cuts right through my clothes. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side of the garage because it's drifted. Oh, straight to my knees, bro. This is literally up to my shoulders. It's just wild here. Okay, I see concrete. Okay, yeah, that's a lot. It's just like thick up against the garage, but the drift isn't as bad as over here. Wisconsin weather for sure wild. The roof is gonna cave in, bro. Alright. Should I snowboard off the roof? I want to so bad. My friend's gonna come over and help me shovel. Or take a video of me falling off the roof. One of the two. He's gonna come over in like 20 minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, there's a few things I want to do. I want to do a backflip into the snow. I want to snowboard off the roof. And I want to take that picture where you're sitting in a lawn chair with a magazine and a crack of beer in the middle of a snowbank. It's like the Wisconsinite stereotype thing. Today, that holds true. And I want all three of those things to come true today. Honestly, so at first I was thinking snowboard off the front into the driveway. And then I walked out there and you saw how thick it was in my backyard. So now I'm thinking go off the garage into the backyard because it's way thicker than it is on the driveway. So it's looking more possible and it doesn't look like it'll hurt. So I'll test it with the backflip just off something like my garbage can or something. And if that didn't hurt, I'll send it off the roof. And then I'm going to take the picture probably in the snow first. Just so then I'm like not covered in snow after the backflip because I'm going to just eat it into the snow. That one's going to go head first. I'll put a helmet on. We'll be safe about it. And Jay's going to come over and he's going to record it. Because we both work at the same place and he lives down the road from me. So he can travel safely. And he said he's going to bring a ladder. Because I don't know if I can get to my neighbor's ladder and or if he has one tall enough. I can't even see out my windows. It's hard to see out the window, so I don't know if he's here or not, but he should be here in like 5 minutes. He doesn't live that far away. So we'll see what he thinks about this plan. He actually initially came over just to help me dig myself out because the drift is super high. Oh yeah, he's not here yet. But it's not super thick in my driveway. It's a little thick on the end where the snowplow driver went. The sidewalk, I can't even tell where the sidewalk is, to be honest. But it's drifted up to my, so like all of it that was in my driveway went up to the garage. So it's like a snowblower can do half the work, but I still gotta get it off the garage. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Got my snow goggles. I should pull up my helmet and then my snow boots. I put a towel on the floor. I think I said that yesterday, but because there's clearly snow and I don't want to wreck the floor or keep the water under control, I guess. He's gonna come trekking in here while I probably put something on. But dude, jumping off the roof is so doable on this side of the house. Not even gonna lie. Like, I'm so hyped. This is gonna be fun. So, stay tuned for that. And then I have to go out for a real shovel after I'm messing around. Hopefully my neighbors don't call the police on me. I don't think they should. I mean, it's my property, I guess. Kind of my property. I don't own this house. As long as I don't rip the gutter off the roof or break my neck. we're solid. Okay, guys, we're gonna jump off the roof.
Let's do it.
We got Jay here. I broke this chair. This chair's from like the 70s, and I broke it. Tell me I need to go on a diet, I think.
All this time.
All this time. And I break it, making a dumb video.
You just broke it.
We could backflip onto this side. Ooh, it's cold out here.
Should I get the ladder?
Let's set this up first.
Or are we doing a dumpster dive?
We're doing dumpster dive. Does this stick to this? It does not. Weak.
What about the plant?
There we go. Can you even get it out?
I think so.
There's some trash. My recycle day was today.
Mine's tomorrow. So, you bringing them closer?
That's probably fine.
You think so? Just like so right into there?
Right into this, yeah.
Okay. I'm up for that.
Hold me.
I don't know.
Is this in frame?
I don't know.
Not really, but I think is that too close? I need to back it up.
I think it's too far.
No, because when you arch, like you like go out.
I don't think so. I think it would be like right there.
All right, let's try it.
So we do a separate. You do you, and then you take video me.
Sure.
Okay.
Because I don't think.
I can learn by your mistakes.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Do I look like a weirdo? All right.
Yeah. Wait, I should record.
Yeah, this is where I'm gonna fall. All right, ready? My hands are cold. Oh my god, I don't bend this way. Okay, this is so slippery. This is so wobbly. I don't think I can stand on this. Uh-oh. I don't think I can stand on this. I'm gonna tip. Oh, I'm going down.
Do you have a rug? Blanket? A rug?
I think I'm gonna wear my gloves. I grabbed a towel.
I think that will give you some traction.
I just need to make this level. It's so wobbly. Probably better. Put it up against this one. Oh, that's way better.
Yeah.
Take two.
Take two video. What do you say?
You ever see the Jackass movies? Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville. Today we're gonna backflip into a snowbank. Wait, should I say Johnny Knoxville or my name? The angle's not quite right, but. Woo! Hold on. I don't know if I can stand on the edge of this. Am I gonna tip? Oh yeah, we're going down. I think this needs to be the other way, to be honest. We're gonna send it anyways. Ugh. The poor legs. Okay. This trash can, when I kick off, is gonna tip and wreck all my momentum. To be honest. This is so unstable. I can't. Okay.
Got it.
Dude, I can't even stand on it. We need to keep it from tipping forward. This isn't gonna work.
You don't think so?
I feel like I'm standing on a balance beam.
I think you're just scared. You want me to do it? I'll go first.
There.
I'll go first.
Don't tip me over.
I'll go first.
Ah! Alright, I'll just do it. Ah! Alright.
I can't. I don't know. That's not guilted you into it. I think that's peer pressure.
I think that you just peer pressured me.
Yeah, if you're not gonna do it, I'll do it.
Yeah, come
I
on,
mean-
you weenie. You see this? All right. We're gonna backflip into this snowbank. Actually back flop because I'm going over before we even it's so windy. All right. I think we should rotate the trash can because it's on wheels. Should we rotate it quick? I'm being for real.
Yeah, I think so.
It'll be so much better if I don't fall over first.
I don't know.
It's still so
It's
bad.
oh, did I get you? I think clear the area.
It's also not heavy.
That's way better.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah. All right. I believe you. Okay, take 7. All right. We're gonna. Oh, this is. Ooh. Okay. We're gonna backflip into this snowbank. It's just tipping. Think I'll have better luck just standing on the rail. This might be easier. This is so much more stable, I think. We're gonna backflip into this snowbank. Are you ready? 1, 2. That was sick. Try to leave the gloves on or off? Alright, I'm gonna backflip into this snowbank. Full send. 1, 2, 3. Woo! That was sick. I need a towel. I need a towel. Let's go.
Then I'm gonna wonder about how I'm gonna climb up on there.
There's stuff here.
Yeah.
And then just grab the letter.
Okay.
You got it. Don't hurt yourself. I don't have insurance. Graceful.
It will be once I get up there. This is a pretty narrow little perch here.
I know.
I saw you very delicately on the one time put your foot on the back here.
You got that?
Just right into there?
Yep, just right into that.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, as you said, I am going to do a backflip into the snowbank. Are you ready? Am I ready?
You got it. You got it. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Does that hurt?
No. Good.
Was that worth it?
Yeah, definitely.
That was pretty sick.
Was it?
Yeah.
It didn't look terrible?
Let's see here.
I think I probably looked like an idiot.
Dude, no, you flipped better than I did, I think. Wait, I kind of want to try it again. Now that the bank is pushed down.
Okay.
Is it cold?
My forehead's cold right now.
Is it cold on my legs?
Yeah, I would imagine.
Here, I'll try it again.
Alright.
Uno mas, and then hit the railing.
Okay.
How did you feel going off the railing?
Man, it actually felt better than I thought it would. I thought it would be more slippery.
Yeah, then stand on that and tell me if you want to do it off that.
Yeah, garbage can not be,
We packed her down. Full send? I kind of want to land it. Alright, I'm Johnny Knoxville and we're going to send it into this snowbank. Ready?
Okay.
It's cold out here.
Okay. You don't have to tell me twice.
Oh boy.
I think I should move it over that way.
Huh?
I think I should move it over that way. So you can walk up. Or what do you think?
Yeah, I probably should move it a little this way, but is that alright?
Yeah, well, that's what
I forgot this was recording, by the way. It's hard to bend it. Oh my gosh, this ladder's gonna fall.
No, it's not. What do you want me to hand it to you now? Or I can hand it to you once you get up there.
I don't think I'll be able to reach down.
Alright.
Little slick up there. This is gonna be so scary.
Well, yeah. Not really. You just backflip. You're not much higher than this.
That's a straight line.
What?
It's like 6 feet higher.
It's not much higher.
You're not gonna hold this ladder?
Do you want me to?
I'm kind of scared.
Are you really?
Yeah. Now this ain't the most wild thing I've ever done. Is this a one take or no? This is wild. Oh, it's windy up here. I can't even see the ground. This is scary. Oh, I'm so scared. This was a better idea on the ground. That's far, bro. I don't know where I should go off. Right here? Thickest?
I would try to hit like just over the ridge.
I don't know how much speed I'm gonna have.
I don't either. I don't know.
My heart's pumping. I got a better one after that. I'm scared. Alright.
Yeah, I believe it was scary. But yeah, you didn't like ride it down. It was like you said, you just plunged into it. You sunk.
I might be able to 180 that though.
An idiot.
Like rotate.
Go for it.
I got a face full of snow.
You feel okay with the height now?
Yeah, I just needed a one ride off. I think if I might be able to 180 it. It's hard to stand on that. Like when you stand up, you have no control because it's like peaked all ways, so it's like tippy. It's like standing on this. I don't know. Did that look cool or did it just leave?
I would think you decided.
That means no. My toe strap wasn't even on. 180? I think I got that.
Send it.
Huh?
Send it.
It's so thick up here. I'm getting pushed that way. Oh, I can't do it. It's so scary. Definitely landed it.
You got it or you want me to hand it to you?
I think I can get it. I think I'll jump off the roof this time. There's no way I can 180 that.
No.
I don't think so. I don't know. Is that good from the GoPro? I'm gonna jump. Just cause it's real fluffy.
Like, just jump?
Or flip. Tries running like.
Oh my.
I think that's it. That feels less scary than trying to 180 off that.
Really?
Yeah.
I would think feet first would be less scary.
I don't know where the edge is, to be honest. Because there's a drift. I can't make it that far, I don't think. I'd have to run.
Well,
into
get
that.
back up to the peak and run then.
Huh?
Get back up to the peak and run.
From the peak?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm just gonna jump. Oh, it's hard to not see the edge. Oh, I was gonna flip. You look scared for me. That was kind of cool. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna do that one more time. I can do that better. It's in my nose. I just snorted the white stuff. That was kind of wild, but. Whoa! Woo! That was sick.
So was that a front somersault?
I don't even know what it looked like.
What I should do? I want to do something. Does seem like a long way, doesn't it?
Dude, wait till you're up there on the edge. You're gonna regret your choices.
Probably.
But it doesn't hurt at all. Is it scary?
Yeah. It's good. So just run and jump.
Yeah.
Shit.
I know!
Alright, well I guess I'm doing it.
Okay, don't get hurt. Remember, the drift is further out than the gutter.
Very slowly.
That's a good run, yeah.
I need to go faster.
So you can do what you want.
I want to run and hit that spot. But you're right, it's kind of scary.
Well, because you can't really see the bottom. You don't have to.
I'm thinking I might not.
It's scary.
It looks too far.
It looks way scarier from up there than it does down here.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I can do it. I think I'm going to end up hurting myself.
Yeah, we don't want that.
I'm going to do what they say where you got to know your limitations.
Good call. Don't slip coming down. You want me to hold it? Makes you nervous.
The snowbank needs to be like right there.
I know, it's so far out.
Too far. I'm not a kid anymore. Dude.
I know. I hear you.
I'm a freaking old man.
I don't know if I would do it in my 50s. I don't think I would.
I want to.
Woo! That one was very sideways. That felt like a cartwheel. Woo! Alright. Should I try backflip? That'd be so scary. I don't know how to times I tack this down that it's not going to feel soft anymore.
You're running out of softness, I think.
I don't think I got it backflip. Just because I can't tell where the edge is. I don't know. Oh, that's kind of fun. Oh, God. It was not straight, though. By at all.
Is it getting harder?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
It's getting hard now.
yeah, no, like harder, like when you land.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what I mean, yeah.
yeah.
It's not like landing into that. Alright, last one. We gotta quit while we're ahead. You think?
I know you want to. I would want more of the snowdrift.
I mean, it's not much different than over there.
If you land on your feet, what's the big deal, right?
I can't hear you.
If you land on your feet, then it's really no big deal.
So packed down.
You gotta know your limitations.
True. Or just send it. Ready? Last one. Snowstorm 2026. Oh yeah, she's hard. Belly flop into that. Just straight dive into it.
Just right now. I don't think you make it that far.
All right.
Okay, challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted.
I don't think
Hold
you're-
my beer, Jay.
I don't think you're gonna make it that far.
That's gonna hurt though.
For the record, I don't think you can make
Huh?
it that. I don't think you can make it that far,
I
but,
don't think I can either.
if anybody can, you can.
Huh? Ooh, that's far.
Oh! You nailed it.
I didn't give it much of a run, but. All right. Now for real send. That was far. That hurt my shoulder though.
I didn't think you could, but you did.
Ooh,
You made it.
that hurt though. Do not recommend that one. That one hurt my neck. We did it, guys.
I cleaned up. It hasn't been snowing for a few hours, but I want to show you what our holes we dug out. It's real sunny out now. It's kind of nice out. I should have jumped off the roof at this time. But look at these piles. You see this? It's so high. It just like created a little dome in front of my door here. So high. It's nuts that this all came. There was literally nothing on the ground 2 days. You see how high this is? Crazy. Yeah, I accidentally hit my house, but it's okay. It was fun sending it off that roof, to be honest. We lived to tell another day, another story. I don't know if it's gonna snow anymore, but if it does, I'll keep on recording. If not, this will be the last clip, and thank you so much for watching my journey. Now I gotta pick up all the towels I have on the floor to keep my ground dry. And I'm so hungry, I gotta eat food. Winter Storm Elsa did not disappoint, let me tell ya. The latest snow totals from USA Today said that Appleton, which is the largest city next to mine, got 27.5, and I got like 2 inches-ish. It was 2 inches-ish more than Appleton. So that means I'm right around 30 inches of snow in the last day and a half or whatever, and I don't know if it's supposed to keep snowing or not, to be honest. I don't even want to check the weather. But that's pretty gnarly. That is so crazy. Pretty sure that was more than the last blizzard a couple years ago. So, making records over here. So, that's pretty sick. Just thought I'd update the totals.